guys. Today I'm making scrambled eggs with sausage, Italian sausage, and yeah, I'm gonna put some Calabrian potatoes, some sausage over here, and some peppers and onions, right? And some mushrooms and some salt and a little oregano and garlic, and we're gonna make this. But you need to remember, I'm gonna make this. You need to watch the shorts. We number them in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever they are. So watch it as I proceed through to make this easy lunch, breakfast, dinner, lunch, breakfast, whichever way you want to do it. Use it, put pepper flakes in there, make it any way you like it, put ketchup on top if you so like, put cheese in it, put cheese on it, put goat cheese on it, put mozzarella cheese, do whatever you like. And this is how we make people eat and live life and enjoy it at the table and talk. And you know what? You could even have, if you wanted, a cup of coffee. You could have a glass of wine with this. You could even drink a glass of milk. But by God, remember to have some bread. I'm going to make some wheat bread or a baguette or anything of that nature. So here we have it. This is Peter Carpizos, and we'll be back doing the shorts. Please watch them. And I am out.